The flange works with the nut to secure the grinding disc to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch non-threaded hole, a recess milled in it that engages with the spindle, and a 7/8 inch hub to accept standard grinding wheels. Over time, the hub can wear, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the flange is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nut from the grinder. I'll engage the spindle lock and use my wrench to remove the nut. Now I can remove the flange that's located beneath the nut. It has an O-ring that holds it to the spindle, so a couple of screwdrivers can be helpful to pry it off. Now install the new flange. I align the recess on the back of the flange with the spindle. Press it onto the spindle. I'll engage the spindle lock and make sure that the recess aligned with the spindle. And that looks good. Now I'll reinstall the nut. I would place whatever grinding wheel I was using onto the grinder. If I'm using a standard grinding wheel, I'll install the nut so the side with the 7/8 flange is down against the wheel. If I was using a cutoff wheel or a diamond cutting wheel, I would install the flange so the flush side is against the wheel. Then I just thread the nut onto the spindle, engage the spindle lock, and secure the nut with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to replace the flange on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.